Hey everyone, it's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 17th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was ugly day on Wall Street, down triple digits. The Dow was down 274 points, while the S&P 500 was down 38. The Nasdaq dropped 123 points, and have a look at the Russell, down 25, breaking support levels here, and also closing below the 200-day moving average. The Dow Transports doing the same. Really across the board selling. There's concerns about Trump being able to get his agenda accomplished, as well as those awful terrorist attacks in Barcelona, which really sort of accelerated the selling today. But this was significant. Across the board, we closed near the lows of the day and look poised for more downside. With the Russell and the Dow Transports blowing through their 200-day moving average and closing below it, that doesn't help. And, the one thing to watch for always when you're in a strong bull market and then you start to roll over is a couple things. Number one, moving from putting in higher lows and higher highs to, putting in lower highs and lower lows, but also taking out support levels. So if you look at the Dow here, not that big of a deal. We took out the first low here, so we do now have a lower high and lower low, but we still have upward momentum. But the same cannot be said for the S&P, which now has negative momentum. Have a look at the Nasdaq here, and the Russell is really ugly. And the Russell being in this range for a while is getting dangerously close to the lows back in March here. And if those get taken out, there really isn't much resistance or support, I should say, below until we get to the 125 level. So as we head into next week, it is very, very important to not only keep an eye on the transports, but also the Russell. Those are the two that are leading us lower here, and we need to keep an eye on those. If there is continued follow through to the downside, and we continue to take out prior lows, this can accelerate and can get much worse. Obviously, news has not been helping lately, so hopefully we don't see any more terrorist attacks, and hopefully the political situation settles down a little. But it's going to be key to watch for signs. Here you want to look for some sort of bounce at a support level like we had in the past here. Okay, we can quickly move from a move lower back above. We've seen the market bounce back many, many times, especially throughout this bull run. But if you continue to see prior lows taken out, and the Russell here gets below a significant low, which is here, this area right in here is a very significant level of support, right around 134. If that 134 gets taken out, I think we go to 125. So that's what we'll be looking at heading into next week. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.